Welcome everyone. This is our live session today. I will be hiding the channel faces today for you all. So you all won't be able to see the children who have joined us live, but they will be just telling me the answers when they are here. So all the children, you won't be able to see them, but you'll be able to hear them when they give me the answers. So this is a live session which is only be telecasted. This will be in 11 plus ALT group. If your children want to be live, they can join in anytime, taking the link from 11 plus ALT group. These are 45-minute sessions. They are different sessions from the one you have on every Thursday. So in this today we are going to do mental maths, and if you see that we have some children who have joined us live today, but I won't be showing their faces till they want their faces to be shown to you guys. So let's get started. So you guys are live here with me. I have hidden your faces. So no one is able to see your faces. So you don't have to worry that your friends will be able to see who you are. But if you guys know the answer for the first one, you can just give me the answer and then I'll see your answer is right or wrong. Do you guys want to give me the answer? Like the first one is you just need to multiply 60 multiplied by 8. So the ones who have joined us today, do you guys want to tell me your answer for this one? I think you need to speak up than writing in the chat now because we won't be able to write in the chat. We want you guys to speak up the answer for the first one. 60 multiplied by 8. The ones who have joined live, you can give me the answer.
480.
480. Good. That's the right one. So we got the answer for the first one is, sorry about my writing. It's sometimes it's really bad and sometimes it's really good. So if you see my writing is bad, just excuse me for that, yeah? So the next one is you're going to do 1 minus something gives you 0.72. So you need to tell me what it is now. Let's see if your answers are right. If any one of you want to give me the answer for this one, you are welcome to do it. Sorry, can you repeat it again? 0 point what? 0 point? I can't hear you. I can only hear it's 0 point something. Can you give me the answer? 1 minus something gives you 0.72. Or I'll take, there's some kids on YouTube who are giving me the answers. Josh has given me the answer and he's given me the right one. It's 0.28. I hope you were also giving the right answer. You were also giving the same answer. 0.28. Good. That's the answer. 0.28. Anyone of who have joined us live today, do you want to give me the answer for the next one? 2/3 of 24. What do you think the answer could be for this one?
16.
Okay, let's see. Yes, you're right. Good. So we got 16. So the next one is, now let me see if the kids on Facebook, YouTube are giving me the right answers. Yes, they are. All of them have wrote 16. Well done. So the next one now, if you look at the next one, it tells you 10 multiply by, in the brackets you have 7 plus 6. So what do you think the answer could be for this one? Who's giving me the answer for number 4 now?
130.
130. Yes, good. Do you want to tell me your name also? Because I'm not showing your face, so I don't know who you are. So do you want to tell your name to us?
Tejas.
Tejas. Tejas, that's a good answer. You got it right. The next one now. You need to find the value of y if y minus 8 minus 50. Let's see who is more clever. If the kids who have joined me live are more clever or the ones on the Facebook on YouTube are more clever. Come on guys, your time starts now.
23.
Good. You guys are clever. And the ones who are doing on YouTube are also clever. They're also giving me the right answer. The next one now. What is this part of the circle called? So this is a part of a circle. It's a diameter, a radius, a circumference, or a sector. So what do you think it is?
Circumference.
No, it doesn't look like. Do you want to try again? Anyone else want to try again? I think so. I got the answer from getting answer on YouTube for this one. I'll give these kids a mark. It's called a diameter. Yeah. So that's a diameter. Let me take out my and write a diameter. Now we'll go on the next one. So let's see what it is. 4, 1/4 plus 3 plus fifth. I don't know how you say it. 5 1/2. So which one do you think the answer is for this one? Josh, very good definition of a diameter. You're giving me the right one. So try doing the next one. Let's see who's faster than you guys. Who gives me the answer fast for the next one? I'm getting some in the
3/7.
no. It's not right. You will try doing it again. Because I got the answer from YouTube again. And I give these kids 1 mark from you all. And how you normally do this, when you have something like this, you have 4 1/4 plus 3 plus fifth 1/5 1/2. You just need to find the denominator. Try to make it same because 4 and 2 the same is 8. So try multiplying 8 from 1 then by 1, and then in the end you just need to add these up. So the answer for this one, what they got is 12 3/4. Because if you add 5 plus 4, it's 6 7 8 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So your answer is 12 by 3/4. That's the answer for this one. Did you guys get it? So the answer for this one is 12 3 by 4. I have a message here. You Manat, I can't hear you. You can't hear me. No, I can't hear you. Okay, the next one now. In a class, 4/7 of the children like football. What fraction do you do not like football? Let me see how good you guys are in the mental maths and see.
3/7.
Good. So all of you got it right. It's 3/7. So the answer for this one is 3/7. So let's move on to the next one now. The next one is I am a triangle with one obtuse and two acute angles. Who am I? So you just need to find which one is a triangle which has one obtuse and two acute angles in it. Who am I? What is it normally called? So you need to know the name of this one.
Is it skein?
Yeah, yeah, which one it is? First, second, third, fourth. You need to tell me which one. A, B,
Second.
C, or D.
D.
Good. It's B. So let's put B. The next one now. What are the next two numbers? There's a sequence going on 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. You need to see what the sequence is. What's the difference between 1 and 3, then 3 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 15, and 15 to 21. So, what do you think the answer could be for the what would be the next two answers? What do you think it could be?
28 and 36.
28 and 36. Let me see if your answer is right. Yes, it is good. 28 and 36. You got it right. Let's do it here. 28 and 36. The next one is what is the probability of rolling a 3 on a 6-sided dice? So if you have a dice, you roll it. What the probability of the rolling you get 3 on a 6-sided dice? What do you think the answer could be for that one?
1/6.
I think so, you're right. Yes, it's 1/6. So try doing the next one now. The next one is entry to a zoo costs 30 pounds for an adult and 25 pounds for a child. So how much would it cost for two adults and three children? If you have two adults and three children, what do you think the cost would?
£135.
You are really fast. You guys look like you guys like maths, don't you?
Yes.
You do. That's good. The next one now. Five children play a computer game and score 12, 15, 7, 8, and 10 points. What is the medium score? Let's see who does it fast now. You do. I know, Josh, you like maths. There are five children who play a computer game. So they're playing a computer game and they're scoring
10.
good. So you know how to take the median. Yeah? Can you tell the others who don't know how to do it? What is a median? Let's see if you know that.
The median is basically you have to put it the numbers in order and find the one which is in the middle.
Good. So let's do the next one now. The next one is a paper slip, what I'm saying. A paper clip is made out of 9.8 centimeters of wire. How many paper clips could I make with a 1 meter of wire? So what do you think the answer could be for this one? So you have a paper clip. It's made up of 9.8 centimeters of wire. How many paper clips could I make from a 1 meter? So you have 1 meter. So you need to make sure how many paper clips you can make from 1 meter. Let's see your answer. Akshay in YouTube has given me the right answer. That's right, it's 10. So the answer for this one is 10. Good. So the next one is I travel at 50 miles per hour for 4 hours. How far have I gone? So you are traveling for 50 miles per hour for 4 hours. So you have 4 hours. This is how many miles you are traveling. 50 miles per hour. How far
200
have I gone? So how far you think you could go?
200 miles.
Good. So the answer for this one is 200 miles. I think so. There's one more question here. Let me just do it a little up if I can do it. All my answers will go up and down now. So we got one left in this one. It is a train journey takes 3 hours 40 minutes. If I travel at 1:30 a.m. p.m. sorry, what time did I set off? I set off. So basically asking you what time if the if I arrive at 1:30, what time did I set off? So what is the time you think I can set off at? What time did I start basically? How much time will it take? Yeah, how much time will it take? So remember, the train journey takes 3 hours 40 minutes. If I arrive at, well, this is the time you are arriving at. You got the answer, it looks like. What was your answer?
9:50 a.m.
Good. It's 9:50 a.m. So we have done this sheet. So let's see the next. Oh, look at all your answers. All your answers right. What you guys did. The ones who want to have a look at the answers, we'll give them a minute to have a look. Then we'll go with another one now. So let's put another sheet for you guys. Did you have a look now? Should we move on? Should we move on to the next one? Are you guys ready for the next sheet? Looks like everybody's ready. I'll give you guys a minute to tell me if you're ready. Then we can go on the next sheet. Now we have completed one mental maths and all of you did really well in that. So we can do another one now. So we have two mental math sheets to do today. Remember that our live sessions, we have another one coming up tomorrow and we'll be doing something interesting tomorrow. Okay, let's move then. The ones who have joined live, are you guys also ready for the next sheet now? All of you have your mics muted. So if you tell me that you guys are ready.
I'm ready.
Ready? Should we move on to the next one now? Is everybody ready now? Let's move on to the next one now. If you want me to zoom in something, just let me know, yeah? Oh, what did I do? Instead of zooming in, I just put the sheet up. Okay. So this one has... I'm just looking. Just have your mics off here. And just have your mics on when you want to tell me the answers. Yeah?
90.
Oh, you already started doing it.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry. I'm also looking. Okay, let's start doing it. 550 divided by 6. We already got the answer. All of you got the answer. That's 90. That's good. I was looking, the answers were given here. The first one is 90. So try doing the next one now. Write down a multiple of 7 between 40 and 50. So you need to know the table of 7 and you need to write down all the multiples between 7 and 50.
Is it 49?
There could be one more also. Remember there, you need to write all the multiples from 40 to 50.
42 and 49.
Good. I had someone else giving me the answer now. 42 and 49. The next one now, you need to know your decimals. In this one, it's 28.6 multiplied by 100. What would be your answer?
2,860.
Good. So you have it without decimal now.
Yeah.
Is 2860. The next one is the radius of a circle is 6.5 centimeters. What is the diameter?
Is the diameter 13 centimeters?
Yeah, I think so. You're right. Good. You got it right. I'm just looking if somebody else give me the right answer now. I have someone just joined. Oh, let me write down your answer. What you have given me. So the answer for this one is
13 centimeters.
yeah, 13 centimeters. So we have 13 centimeters. Akshay, you just joined us. Can you have your mic off and just on your mic when you want to answer something so I can unmute you from my side? Yeah, thank you. So let's do the next one now. In a spelling test, the scores are 15, 8, 11, 16, 10, and 5. And what is a range? First, I want you guys to tell me what is a range. Then I will ask you the answer.
The range is basically the biggest number minus the smallest number.
Good. Now, somebody else except you want to give me the answer. Let's see if anybody else can. I know you're really good in maths. I'm waiting. Otherwise, I will tell him to give the answer to you guys again. Sorry? 11. Yes, you're right. So the biggest one is 16 and the smallest one is 5. You just minus the biggest minus the smallest and you get your answer as 11. Good. The next one now. What is this part of the circle called? Chord, radius, circumference, or a sector? What do you think this part of the circle is called?
Is it the sector?
Yes, you're right. It's a sector. Because remember, they have asked you the colored one. This one here is the my spelling. My this won't work. Let me write down in a proper way. Let me just minus that first. Then I'll write sector for you all. Is the sector. So the next one now.
Miss,
Yeah.
what does a chord mean?
A chord. Let me just find out because I normally don't teach 11. I just teach till 11 plus, and this is something you have in GCSEs. A chord of a circle, they are saying a chord of a circle is a straight line segment whose end points both lines. So when you make a, if they had a plain line, something like this, if they had a line from here to here like this, that's your chord. Got it? So this is a
Yeah.
plain line. A plain line, a straight line segment whose end points both lie on the circular. So if you had a line like this, which cuts the circle in two parts, basically.
Okay, thanks.
So let's do the next one now. You need to add up 2/5, 3/10, and 1/2 and give your answer as a middle number. So let's see who gives me the answer for this one now.
12/10.
You got it right, but if I want to do it in the middle number, okay, let's do it. because this is what you did last time also. 12
Also,
by 10.
it is the answer 1 whole and 2 tenths.
Yeah. So you just write out 10 here, and what multiply by 10 is 1 here, and what in 10 I'll add to give me 12? 2. That's why it's 2 1/10. That's your answer for this one here. So the next one now, which two numbers have a sum of 11 and a product of 28? So you need to think which two numbers have a sum of 11 and they have a product of 28.
7 and 4.
Good. 7 and 4. So you got the answer. There's 7 and you have a 4. Which fraction is the equivalent to 1/3? 28, 36, 4/10, 27, or 39? First is you guys need to find the you need to make the denominator same and then try doing it. It'll take you guys a minute. Try
Three
doing it.
six.
Let's see who does it.
Three six.
You've done it already.
Yeah.
Try doing it again. Your denominator is wrong and it cannot be something different. You have to see if you have 3/6 here. We don't have a 3/6 here. So we have to look at the ones you
Oh
already
no,
have here.
it's 3/9. I mean,
Yes, it's 3/9. That's what I was saying. You cannot have something which is not here.
3/6 would equal to 100.
Yeah, but they are not telling, yeah, equals to 1/3. What fraction is equivalent? I would just simplify them and just try doing it, then making the denominator same.
Yeah.
Because that would be the easy way of saving time, then making the denominator same and then try making them equal. That will take you guys ages. So the next one is 578 divided by 10. Yes, I got it from Facebook. They are really quick now. It's 57.8. So let's write down here. It's 57.8. Next one is you need to write down 7:20 p.m. as a 20-hour clock. So you need to have a 24-hour clock. Remember, in the 24-hour clock, after 12, we counted 13, 14, 15 like that.
19:20 p.m. I mean hours.
Yeah, it's not hours, 19 hours and 20 minutes. And 20. That's your answer for this one. And the next one now. Millie and Molly's age add up to 19 years. Melly is 3 years older than Molly. How old are they? So you need to find out how old they are. So you need to tell me Millie's age and Molly's age, both of their ages. Let me see who got the answer for this one.
Molly is 8 and Millie is 11.
Millie is, what you said, what is Millie? How old is she?
Millie is 11 and Molly is 8.
Good, you got the right answer. So the answer is Millie is, I'll write M, short form. Millie is 11 and Molly, I will write MO. And Molly is 8. Good. And the next one is they have given you here 12 inches equals to 1 foot. So Mandy is 65 inches tall. She is dash feet and dash inches tall.
Ouch.
Remember, you have already given 12 inches equal to 1 foot. So, taking that into consideration, let's see who can find the answer now.
Mandy is 5 feet and 7 inches tall.
Good. 5 feet and 7 inches. She'll be 5. I'll write it here. 5 feet and 7 inches tall. The next one is now Fraser buys a 6 multi-pack back of crisp for £2.40 and Kotra buys 6 single packs of crisp for 45p each. How much more did Kotra spend on her crisp? So you need to find out the difference, how much she spent. Find out how much both of them spend and then minus from one another and find that.
30p.
So do you think she spent 30p extra? Yes, you're right. That's 30p. Oh, where was I writing? She got 2 more left now. In a competition, Tiger throws the ball 3.58 meters and Fraser throws it 380 centimeters. Who throws furthest? By how many much?
Fraser by 0.27 centimeters.
Fraser throws. Can you need to do it in centimeters? Remember that. And whatever you got, just multiply that by 100 and try giving me the answer.
22 centimeters.
Yes, now you got it right. It's 22 centimeters. And the last one is a third of a number is 21. What is the number?
7.
No.
63.
Yes, 63. You want to see the answers the way they have written? You can check your answers if you guys have done it right. So this is the answers what we did today. Let me just off the YouTube now and I'll come back to you guys in a second. Okay, guys, that's we are done for today. And remember that we have a live session for you. You got it all correct. That's good. So we have a live session coming tomorrow. Don't forget to be live tomorrow at 6:30. And that's all for today. And don't forget to like the video if you have not. I'll see you guys back tomorrow.